They're getting used to, because they're used to you feeding them.
Yeah.
They're looking good. How many months now?
3 months, 4 months. So.
Is this one your favorite?
It's either this one or it's this other one down here. One of these Sussex.
She's pretty. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that they go broody. So hopefully they'll help hatch for us. They like to go broody. I have to check with and see if that's right, but I think that's why. It's so funny because they want out. Hi, Chuck, 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 Chuck. There we go. Oh, I can't get it to focus through the wire. There we go. Back up. Where's the Dorking-roo? Oh, there he is in the corner. Hello. They're all muddy. It's so wet.
Yeah, it's really tight from there.
Are you feeding them from your hand?
Yes. Since you always tell me to train my chickens.
Yeah, if you could get them to stay inside the yard and not venture across into the woods, that'd be great. That's ridiculous. That's why we call you the chick magnet. How happy are you right now?
Happy.
You got them eating out of the palm of your hand, baby.
Mm-hmm.
I'm funny.
They're Dorkings.
The Dorkings are pretty. They have 5 toes. They're pretty. Which one's this one?
I'm not sure actually.
Hold on. Which one is this one?
The Langshan's.
What?
Langshan's.
And they've got the feathered or the flocking on their feet.
Feathered feet.
Yes, which are covered in dirt and are wet, but yeah, they get big. Like, see that big black one right there? That's a Langshan. Lovely. She's a nice size bird, and they lay lavender colored eggs. That's a nice looking Delaware.
Which one, that one?
This one right here in front of me. This one.
This one.
Yeah. We'll evaluate them again in about a month, right?
Yep.
Nice. Do you have a favorite?
Probably one of the Sussex at the moment.
Not chicken. I meant breed.
Oh, breed?
You're supposed to say Dorking, but I don't think that's
probably
what you...
the Delawares.
They're a nice all-around bird. All right, well, finish feeding. It's going to get ready to rain in a minute. and then you're gonna have to put them back in because the older ones will beat them up. Yeah, so they're not quite old enough to be out here on their own yet. Look at that one. We gotta look. That one's tail feathers are looking pretty sad. Yeah, let's give them some place to dust bath. We should put something out here, some sand and some ash for them. We can do that after it rains. There's a bucket of ash back near the barn.